Okay, tell me your name.
Victor.
And where are you from, Victor?
Chicago.
Chicago? Okay, what kind of car do you have?
Z06.
And what color is it?
Red.
A red one? Okay. And what Cousin Joe's product is your favorite?
Actually, I use them all. I use the Waterless car wash. I use the Brazilian wax, and I actually use the tire dressing.
And why do you use it?
They're actually very good products.
What do you like the best?
I love the spray-on wax and the washless car wash. I use that all the time. And I use the Brazilian wax.
All right.
So I'm a fan of all the products.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right.